Our group is Managing for Success. We picked our group management myth is that the effective manager has no regular duties to perform. Our general idea is Fred the Lion has a passion for making and selling cigars. He spent years perfecting his skill in making and leadership. After much advice and support, he decided to open a cigar store in Newport, Florida, but found the costs of starting the cigar shop were too expensive. Months later, he found Henry the Hyena, an investor and partner, to contribute to the cigar shop. With high hopes, his dreams on the line, Fred signed on the dotted line to get the business started. They hired 2 employees, Kate the Giraffe, who is a cigar maker, and Jen the Rhinoceros, who would be the cashier. Problems arise when Fred realizes Henry is not as committed to the business as he had anticipated. He would come in as he pleased and constantly criticize Kate and Jen in front of customers. Fred is fed up with his partner and calls for a meeting to make changes or terminate their partnership. So storyboard 1 is Fred and Henry partner up. Storyboard 2, Kate is hired as cigar maker and Ted is cashier. Storyboard 3, Fred realizes Henry isn't committed to business. Storyboard 4, Henry would come in late into the store and yell at Kate and Ted in front of the customers. And storyboard 5, Fred calls for a meeting to make changes.